Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the car cleaning inventory system in Java. Let us show the demo first. This is the demo. First I am going to enter the car number. I am going to enter the car number like this. Customer name I am going to enter as John. Here this one should be the categories available: dashboard cleaning, roof floor, sheet, full body washing, and wines treatment. All the things are available. Now I am going to clean this one, right? This one I am going to clean. Dash. I am going to put the price. This is the price. This one we can put the price here. This is the price. This one we have to put is 50. Right. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here. Click add button. Here. This is your. This all items should be added to the table. Your total should be calculated here. If the customer pay the bill, so here 500 paid, click in print invoice. You can get the data is added into database successfully. Balance should be successfully displayed here. Now at the same time, here it released the invoice, simple invoice here. Alright, simple here is simple invoice. This one should be the printable invoice. Here we can print. Okay, here we have a small code. We have to when you click print invoice button, this is the code, right? If you Jasper report viewer, I am going to hide this one, and if you enable this one, it goes to the print. Okay, it is releasing the print receipt well, right? Okay guys, let's do the system step by step. How to do this system test step by step, right? So first what I am going to do is here, go to the file, new project, Java application. Next, here I am going to, if it is check, create main class. If it is uncheck it, here I am going to create the project name as car clean, right? Car clean, finish, right? This is your project is created successfully. Other projects I am going to close it. This is my project, right? Close it, right? This is my project car clean, right? Now first what I am going to do is here your car project consists of two major folders. One is the source packages, another one is a libraries. First you select the source packages folder, you click plus sign, expand. Here you have to create the new package. So select this package, default package, right click, new. Here you have to Java package. Here I am going to create the new package as car clean. Car clean. Click, right. Perfect. Now your new package has been created successfully. Select the package, right click, new, form, JSP form. Here I am going to create a new form as car clean. I am going to give the same name, car clean, class name, right. Now your new form has been created successfully. Let I increase the form little bit, look like this, right. Now first I am going to write the heading of the form, right. So let's go to the palette and drag one label on the palette. The label, right click and edit text. We have to change this one as a car cleaning inventory system, right. Now what I am going to do is here, select this one, text, right click, properties, font, this font, property, click on this one, bold, which we have to increase the font size as the 24. Okay, this is a simple heading, right? Car inventory system. If you want to increase the font little bit bigger, you can here right click and go to the font property. If you want to wish to change as 30, okay, it's perfect, right? Okay, right. Now after that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to create one panel, drag one panel on the form. Here this one I am going to change the panel style, right click, properties, border, select as soft bevel border here, click OK, right. Okay. Now after that what I am going to do is I am going to drag two label controls, right. First one should be car number, select this label, you have to car number, this one should be the car number, this one should be the customer name, select this one and customer name. Right. After that what I am going to do is here, I drag two text box controls. So go to the palette, here text fields, two text fields you have to drag. This one should be the car number, this one for customer name, enter the customer name. Right, perfect. Right. After that what I am going to do is here I have to drag another panel, right? So you have to drag another panel from the palette and drag here. Right. Now we have to increase the size. Right. Right. This is perfect. This is enough for the size. Right. Select this panel. Right click. Properties. Border property. Soft bevel border. Click OK. Close it. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to drag the labels. This one, second label. Sorry, instead of the label we have to drag the checkbox. Checkbox, first checkbox. The second checkbox I have to equal into one text field over here. After that I need to drag another text checkbox. Right. I drag one text field over here. Right. This one we have to change the name as we have to give a dash. We have to dash board cleaning. Dash board cleaning. Board cleaning. Right. Dashboard cleaning. Right. After that, this one you have to change as. This one as you have to change it as. You have to write up. Cleaning. After that you have to select this one again, go here, you have to drag another with the same checkbox you have to drag, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. You have to change the name later on. This one you have to change it as roof cleaning. Right. Now same text box, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Below you have drag here, right? Simply you have to get the copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, get the another copy, right? Then only you have to easily complete the project, right? Here also we have to write floorboard, right? Select the text box, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, get the another text box. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be sheet remover, right? This one Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here and get the another text box. After this one Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, again get it the copy. This one should be, you have to name it as full body wash. Select the text box, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, get the another copy. Select this one checkbox, Ctrl C to copy and get the another copy. This one also Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, get the another copy. This one you have to change it as, in the text you have to change it as wide screen. Right. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Now we need one button for that. We have to get one button. That one should be the add button. Drag one button from the palette. This one should be the add button. If we have to name it as add button. Right. Perfect. Okay. After that we have to go a little bit here. Right. Now here I am going to drag the this one J table. So go right. After that what I am going to do is here I am going to the palette and drag one panel on the form. Here we have to this one you have to change it as, here we have to change this one you have a little bit bigger, size a little bit bigger. Okay. Here we have to drag one panel here, right? Now here what I am going to do here, inside this panel I am going to drag one J table, right? So here you can find it here, J table, you have to drag on here, drag on the panel, right? Perfect. Okay. Now after that what I am going to do is here we have to select the J table, right click, table contents, columns, we have to default rows, we have to delete, select and delete. Right. Column first one I am going to add it as clean type. Second one should be price. Right. Close. Right. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here we have to size little bit. Right. Perfect. Right. Perfect. Now here what I am going to do is here, this is the panel. We have to increase the panel size little bit. Right. This one you have to put here, set it here. Right. Now here I am going to drag. Right. Display the size. Right. Now I am going to drag another thing is a total, right? So I am going, what I am going to do is here I am going to drag one label here. This one should be the total. After that I drag another one, this one for payment. After that third label, this one should be balance. This one should be payment. After that we have to drag 3 text boxes, this one, second one, third one. Okay. This one you have to edit text, control backspace to remove the existing text, select and right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing, select this text, change variable txt dot, this one, select this one, change variable txt pay, third one, select this one, txt bal. Right, perfect. After that what I am going to do is here we have to drag one button, this one for we have to invoice, print invoice, right click, edit text, print invoice. Right, perfect. Right, this is the things, right? So here we have to make the things as here, this is the total, right? Total. Okay. Now if you want to increase the size of this one, select this one, hold on the control key down, select these 3 labels, right click, properties, font property, we have to bit bold, we have to 40, give the size as 40, you have to increase little, right? Perfect. Right, that's it. Okay. Now let's run the application check. You have to put it the heading as at the middle. Now what I am going to see here, select the form, right click, properties, you have to set it as a go to the code tab, generate center, right? After that what I am going to do is here we have to, there are many spaces, we have to reduce the spaces, we have to size spaces, we have to reduce, right? Here also we have to reduce the spaces, right? This all the stuff we have to reduce the spaces. If the spaces is there, it's not good, so we have to reduce the spaces little bit. Right, now it's worked perfectly. Right, now it's okay. Now here this one should be the button, add button, we have to do size. Right, perfect. Perfectly we have to do the stuff. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, now let's check. Right, now run the program. Here your program is run successfully. Now here what I am going to do is here your program is running at the center. Right, now here if I enter the car number, customer number, and we have to select the options and click add button, all the options should be added into a relevant table. Right, so the this total need to be calculated. After that click print invoice button, the print receipt should be released, right? Okay, let's do the task. Okay, now here first what I am going to do is here select this text box one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select this one, also do the same thing. Right, First one, select this one. We have to change variable txt number, mean car number, or this one txt cname in customer name. After this one, select this one, this dash for cleaning, change variable. You have to change checkbox this one. So chk dash, right, you have to write like this. Simply you have to identify. Otherwise you have to put it chk1, right? So we are dash, right? We have to identify easily. This one should be backspace. This one also txt dash, right? Perfect, right? You have to give the proper name. You can identify this one should be chk up hot, right? Okay. This one should be edit text, backspace to remove the extension, select again, change variable txt up hot. Select this roof with this one, change variable txt roof, sorry, not txt roof, this one should be chk roof, right? This one should be backspace remove the existing text, sorry, edit text, backspace remove the existing text, select this one again, txt roof, right. This one txt chk floor. This one, select this text box, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt floor. Select this one, change variable chk sheet. This one, select edit text, backspace to remove that, select again, change variable sheet. This one, select, change variable txt full body, if body. This one, edit text, backspace to remove, select again, change variable txt f body, right? Same, right? What's the name? Why was the same name? Sorry, here also I have, always you have to leave the mistake, chk body. This one should be txt if body, right? Okay. Chk mean checkbox, txt mean text box, right? That's the mean. This one should be chk wind. This one should be backspace to edit and remove the text, select again txt wind. That's it. That's the thing you have to do, right? After that, this one total, select this one, change variable txt tot, change it, this one txt pay, this one txt balance. We have change it successfully, right? Okay, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, this jtable one, we no need to change the name, right? Jtable one, right? We leave it as a default, right? Because only one jtable there, right? If you want, you can change it, but it's only one available. We no need to change, right? After that button also we no need to change the name as well. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to add the code, right? So first what I am going to do is here, I am going to do the stuff is, I am going to calculate the stuff, right? So first what I am going to say, go to the this one, right? Add button. I am going to add the records for the add button, right? Select this one, right click, event, action perform, right? Now here first I am going to write is simply you have to write this one, right? First you have to write the thing is default table here, right? That the default table model equal Control C copy. This one you have to inside the bracket you have to paste it. You have to write here this. You have to write here new. Sorry, you have to write here new default new. You write new the same thing. Control C copy. Control V paste here model. Right. This one you have to import the namespace. Right. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here. I am going to write here inside this button. You have to write first. You have to write. You have to create the variable in sum equals 0. After that you have to write here if this one, this checkbox, if it is checked, txt dash, right, chk dash dot checked dash is selected. If it is selected, what I am going to do is here we have to write here is, first you have to create the variable, string variable dash equal chk dash dot get text, right. What the item you are, if you check this item, it will be stored in this variable, it assigned to this variable. After that what I am going to do is here you have to add into that one, into the model. So this model, you have to already create the model, table model, the J table, we have to add it. So how to write here is model, write model equal, simply you have to, inside the bracket you have to write this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste inside this bracket. After that you have to write here is jtable1 dot get model, right. After that you have to write model dot add row, you have to write here is add row, you have to write new object, you have to write new object, you have to write here is like this. After that you have to open and close bracket, you have to write here is simply you have to write here, enter key, press enter key, you have to write inside the model, you have to write here is, first you have to write dash, this one dash, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Second one you have to add it as a this one txt dash, right. What I am going to do is here, if the user check this one and enter the quantity, enter the this here, check this one, enter the price, right, price need to be calculated. So txt, what is need, txt, this one should be dash, this one should be the price, okay, dot get text, what is the price you are typing, it stored in this table. This model mean, add model mean is stored here, right, table. Okay. The same thing we have to do the remaining stuff as well. The same thing what I am going to do is here, remaining stuff, the same if we have to copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, don't put here else part, okay, because we have to check if you have a multiple check, right, if you have more than one check, you will be able to enable the option, so that we have to use if, right. So here second one should be the this one, right, second, what is the second one, up hot, right, up hot, this one is also up hot, this is the name I gave. So same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, text box also, this one here txt, right, same. So here this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, right, that's it. You have to change the name on same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Third one should be roof clean. So what you are doing here, txt roof, this name you have to give. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here as well. Here also txt roof. Very simple, right? You have to change the name, simply look like this, right? But when you are writing the program, you have to write neatly. Otherwise, you can't find the error if the error occur, right? So Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be floorboard, right? Sheet, right? Roof. After the roof, what is available? Floor, right? Floor. This one should be the floor. So it's a floor. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be floor. Sorry, this one roof. We are doing the roof. Here roof. Here also roof. Here also floor. Carefully to do. This one should be floor. Here also floor. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V. This one should txt floor. Right. Perfect. After that, after the floor, we have a sheet removal. Sheet. Right. So you have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be sheet. chk sheet. Sorry. Right. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be your write a sheet. txt sheet. Right. After that, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one should be full body was. So chk f body. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one also you have to change the sheet. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one you have to full body, if body. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here also txt body, if body. After that, what I am going to do is here, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one csk, final one should be windscreen, so wind. Right, this one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. So here also this one wind. So here also Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one txt wind. That's it, right? You have to check everything you have did perfect or not, right? Everything you did successfully or not, you have to check. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Simple, you have to run the program and check. Right. We have to car number, I have to use something like that. Customer name I am going to use Hari. So customer, check this one. We have to put 1000. This one should be 2000. This one should be 1500. Click check. These are the right. Repair. Click add button. Here it's successfully added on the table. Right. J table successfully added. After that, I need to calculate the total. Right. So let's close the things. Now I need to calculate the total. Right. So what I am going to do is here below I am going to create the total. So how to calculate the total is you have to write for loop for int I equal 0. After that, I less than j table 1 dot get row count. Here I am going to write I plus plus. After that, you have to write here is you have already created the sum variable above. Okay, the same variable I did here. Sum equal sum plus integer dot parseInt. You write j table 1 dot get value at you have to write this one should be 1. 1 mean only two columns are available. This one 0 position, this 1 mean what are the prices, price need to be calculated, right? So here and this one, right? After that, what is the error here? We have to write the toString at the end to convert them to string, right? Now error go away. After that, all the prices need to be calculated and display the txt text box, this text box, total text box. So we have to give the name here txt dot setx. So we have to write string dot value of. So write here sum. That's the name. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Car number, customer name you have type Hari, dashboard, this one, click add button. Here final total calculated successful, right? Now what I am going to do is here I am going to create the print receipt. Here you have to enter the payment and click print invoice. We need to calculate the balance and print receipt should be released, right? So let me do the task, right? Now what I am going to do is here I am going to create the sales function. So here I am going to create the function as sales function. So you have to write public void sales. Right. Okay. Now here, first I am going to add the records into the database. Right. So first what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the database. So I have installed the exams server in my machine. If you are not installed the exam server, you must install the exam server. Okay, go to the Google and type exam server, download and install it. Right. Okay, after install the exam server, you have to connect it. After connect, you will be get the dashboard like look like this. After that, you have to create the database. So click PHP My Admin. Here you have to create the database, right? So here first I am going to create the database. First one is here. Go here. First I am going to create the database as, create the new database as car clean inventory. Clean inventory. Right. Inventory. This is the database I am going to create. Car clean inventory. Click create. Right. Car clean inventory. Here first one should be, I am going to create the table as car. You have to create as car clean. First one you have to car clean. It car clean consists of 5 columns. Right. Right. 5 columns. Right. Only 5 columns. Right. Car clean. Right. Here first one should be the ID. So ID. This one should be the ID. Car clean first one should be the ID. This one should be the auto increment part. Right. After that, you have to write a car number. Car number you have to write. This one should be car number. Watch out here. Right. After that, you have to write as a third one should be the total. After that, pay. After that, balance. This is a car clean table consists of these columns, right? After that, click save. After that, we need to create another table, that is, you have to create another table. Click on this database. I am going to create another table, car clean products. So you have to car products. You have to create car products. Car product consists of only, we have only 3 columns. We have only 4 columns here. Right. Right. First one should be the ID. Car products ID. These are also auto incremented. Primary with auto incremented. Second one should be the, this one should be the, this car clean ID. Right. Here this here primary key. Here come as a foreign key. Here write as clean ID. Clean ID. Clean ID. Right. After that, we have to write as a clean type as varchar. After that, price as int. Right. This is the columns. Right. Now what I am going to do is here. Let's back to NetBeans. I created the table successfully. I am going to write the code. So go to the source. Here I am going to write first what I am going to do is here. This is the car clean table. So we have a total, pay and balance. So what I am going to do is here, go here. We need to enter the car number, total, pay, balance. So here we have to equal into the relevant text boxes. So you have to write here is, go to the source. You have to write first string car number equal txt number. This is the text box name of the car number. Get text. Right. After that, you have to write this one string. After that, you have to write string. You have to write string total equal txt dot get text. After that, you have to write third one should be txt sub pay equal txt pay dot get text. Here we no need to convert as a int because we are not going to do any calculation part, just save the records into the database only. So here you can write as a string, it's possible. So here I am going to write as a string pay balance bal equal txt bal dot getText. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here I am going to connect the database first, right? So I am going to create the separate function. It's very easy stuff. Public void connect. Right. Here we have to write first class dot phoname. Right. Here we have to write the driver, right? MySQL driver. So here, if you want to connect MySQL server and Java in NetBeans, we need to install the driver first, right? So we have to go to the Google and we have to download the MySQL connector for Java. You have to type this one, right? First click on this one. This goes to the relevant website for download. So come down here, this one should be, you have to download MySQL connector Java zip file. If you click download button, it goes to the different website for download. So here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click on this link below. No thanks, just my download. Just start my download. If you click on this one, your download has been started below. Right here it is starting. I no need to download this time. Click cancel because I already downloaded and put into the drive in F drive. I have put into the F drive, so we no need to download it. So what I am going to do is here I am going to get it this one, right? So MySQL here, after download it's come as a zip file. After you have to get it, it's look like this here, MySQL connector for Java. It's not this in my this one, MySQL connector for Java. Not F drive, it is in my E drive. This one, right? MySQL for Java. This one you have to get these two relevant files, right? Okay, these two files we have to import into my libraries. So what I am going to do is here, after downloaded you have to extract them. It's come as a normal folder. You have a library folder, right? Inside the library folder, click on the library. You have to add jar folder. This one you have to add it. You have to import them, right? So you go to the drive. What is the MySQL connector? So I am right this one. Double click on this one. Double click on this one. These two things. Select or down the control key down. Select both. It should be added your library successfully. Now what I am going to do is here we have to write it. Here is com dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. Right. Now here we have to add it as a surrounded with a try and catch. It's not error. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write the connection. We have to write the connection object above. Connection con. After that, prepare statement. PSK. Right, save important stuff. Right, this one should be add the name CSS import for SQL connection namespace. This one also you have to add as a SQL prepare statement. This one right. Now here we have to add that. We have already created the connection object above. One equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write as a JDBC BC colon MySQL right localhost you have to write what is the database name. You have to write it is resides on the localhost. This is the database name. So you have to click on the database, this database name. You have to select this one and also you have to copy this one. You have to paste it here. Otherwise you can type the name as well. Right click, paste. Right, perfect. Okay. Now what I am going to do is after that we have to enter the username and password for the MySQL. When you install the MySQL, default username will be root default password will be blank, right? You have to enter like this. Okay. Now this is not error. It has to import the catch clause, right? It's perfect. After that, what I am going to see, this connection map the function, Ctrl+C to copy, you have to paste after the initial component here. It's worked. It should work, right? After that, what I am going to see, we have to write the insert code here. Simply, we have to write the insert code. So we have to create the string variable query equal. You have to write the query here. How to insert the record into the database? You have to write insert into which table you are going to insert the record first. I am going to first insert the record as car clean table. Car clean. You have to write the column names properly in here inside the bracket. Car clean table. What are the column here? This one should be auto increment ID. No need. Car number, total, pay balance. Right. So you have to write car number, pay, car number, total. Car number, total, pay balance. Total pay balance. Right, that's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay. After that, you have to write values. Here we have to write values. You have to write a prepare statement here. Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Right. There are 4 values available here. So we need 4 question mark. You have set the question mark to the prepare statement. You have to write PST. You have created already prepare statement above object PST dot set string 1. First one should be the car number. This one. Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. After the same thing, this car number. Right. What's the error here? Car number. Right. Here it tried to import the catch block. That's not error here. Right. Now that this one query also we have to Ctrl X to cut off this one. We have to call it here. We try to import the SQL exception here, right? When you get any error, it's throwing the error inside this SQL exception. That's why it's NetBeans asked to create the catch one, right? Okay, after that we have to write the total. So same thing, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste here, right? Now here what I am going to do is here we have to write second one should be total. So Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. Third one should be pay. Fourth one should be bell. Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. Bell. After that we have to write PST dot execute update. Execute update. We have to this one execute update. Execute update. Right. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write result set here we have to write generate key result equal you have to write here is the PST dot get generate keys. Right. Now here this one you have to add it as this one. Right. After that you have to write this one if this generate key result, Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. We have to write here dot next. Here we have to write here is you have to create last insert ID. So you have to write last insert ID above. You have to write here is last. You have to create the last int last insert ID equals 0. Right. This last insert ID, Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. You have to write generate keys, generate key result, Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. Dot get int. Right. That's the thing you have to do. After that, what I am going to do here, we have to go to the things. I am going to add the result into another table. That is sales product table. So we have to write this one should be you have to write int rows equal jtable1 dot get row count. Here you have to write string query1 equal, you have to write here the same insert query. You have to copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one you have to change it as a car product. This one car clean, the second is car products. Products, right. Now here first one, here we have to change it here as first one you have to change as here clean ID. This one, this column you have to write clean ID, clean type, price. Clean ID, comma, clean type, clean ID, clean type, price. Right, here we need to this one, right. Three columns are there, 3 question mark, right. This car clean ID, this car ID, this ID should be coming here for foreign key, right. So you have to add it, right. So this ID should be the last insert ID, so we have to write here as here we have to write as we have to write create another prepare statement. So we have Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be 1, right. So you have to create statement 1 equal we have to write connection dot prepare statement is query1, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that you have to write string clean type equal, right. After that you have to write string price equal, after that you have to write int total equal 0, right. Here we have to write total equal 0, right. Here what is the problem, right. Total is already I defined above here total, so that we have to write total, right. You have to write total, right. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here you have to write for loop for, you have to write initially int I equal 0, so you have to write I less than j table 1 dot get row count I plus plus, right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to write like this, right. Clean type, this clean type you have to get it here equal string j table 1 dot get value at I, this one should be 0, right. After that Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be 1 here, this one should be the price, so price, right here, price, right. Now what I am going to do is here you have to write here is you have to write first one should be we have to add it into the last insert ID, right. After add the records, last insert ID should be created, right. Last insert ID should be created, right. But is the record finally added, we getting as a last insert ID, so this is must for the sales, right. So you have to get it here is you have to write first pst1 dot set int, this one should be set int 1, this one should be first one should be last insert ID. You have to get the last insert ID here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write this remaining stuff, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. Second one should be our this one clean type, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be price, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, price, right. Here we have to change this type, set string, so Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, set string, right. That's it. After that finally you have to write pst1 dot execute, you have to call execute, it's added the record into the database, right. After that finally we have to write the pst dot add batch, you have to add the batch also. After that we have to write j option pan dot show message. We have to this one should be this. You have to write here is record error. You have to get the message as record error. This is the thing we have to do. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, now first we have to check, right? Customer name, we have to write Hari. Dashboard, here we have to write here is. You have to write like this. Roof, you have to write like this. Right, now here click add button. Here it's working perfectly. Now I am going to pay the right. I didn't calculate this stuff, right? So what I'm going to do is here, this one you didn't calculate it. So the sales table, Ctrl C to copy, go to design. This print invoice button, double click on this one. Here we have to paste it here, right? This function we didn't paste it. The same time we have to calculate the this one, right? Here we have what I'm going to do is here, payment and total. So we have to write here pay equal here, right? Integer dot parseInt. You have to write this one parseInt. Here what is the name of this one? txt dot. So you have to write txt dot get text. After that you have to write second one should be the Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, total. You have to write this one should be the pay, txt pay. This one should be the total. After that you have what I'm going to do is here, we have to write here is a balance. You have to calculate the balance, txt bal equal, we have to calculate like this, pay minus total. Right, here we have to write is txt bal dot setx. You have to write here bal. So you have to write here string dot value of, you have to write bal. Right, that's the thing here. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Car number, this is a car number. I'm going to write 000 something like that. Customer name I'm going to write as John. Cleaning I'm going to put as 100. This one should be 200. I'm going to put. Right. Okay, now click add button. It's added successfully. Now I'm going to pay 500. Click invoice, print invoice. Now what's the problem? Here the thing is, this null point exception. What's the error? There is coming here. The problem is we didn't give the connection. That is the problem, right? We have to write PST equal. We didn't give the connection. That's the problem. Connection con dot prepare statement. We forgot to give that one, right? This is the important stuff. Here query. You write here query. This is a query first one. After that you have to write statement, right? You have to generate the keys. Otherwise it won't work. Statement dot return generate keys. Statement return generate keys. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Now here we have to write like this. That's why its error will be okay. Right. Here I have done the stuff. Here I forgot that one. Right. The same thing you have done here. Here done it perfectly. Here we forgot to done the stuff. That's a problem. Right. Now let's work. Now it's work. Right. Now here we have to enter the car number. Customer name we have to change as Hari. Dashboard cleaning, and this one here roof. Right. Enter key, it's working. Now here we have to enter here 500. Click here record and perfect. Now click. Now let's check. Go here. How it's work. Browse. It's working successfully. This is a total. This is a car number. Total. This is a balance. Right. If you check at the product table, you here dashboard cleaning. This one should be the roof. Right. Why it's added 2 times? The problem is here. Here the code the problem. Okay, here is the problem. Here is that one, the add button. Double click on the add button. The problem is here. Here this one should be this one. Here the same thing I have copy and paste it here. That's the thing. Here you have to copy this one and paste it here. Right? That's the problem. Right? The same thing I have duplicated. That's why the problem will be coming. Now let's check again. Right, car number or something like that. Right. Customer name I am going to this time change it as Hari. Have to change it as Raja. Right. Here you have to write dashboard. Right. This one should be 200. This one should be 300. Like this. Right. Click add button. Here it's working perfectly. Right. Here it's working perfectly. Now I am going to pay 1000. Click. Perfectly working. Now let's back to our database. You can check. Click browse. Here it's working perfectly. Here 100, 200, 300. If you go to the product clean table, here product clean table, you can check here. Your browse. Sorry, not this one. This one. Product clean table. Here it's working. Car number, total, pay, balance. Right, it's working perfectly. I hope you guys understood the things well. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to do the Jasper reporting part. Right, how to register print receipt. So what I am going to do is here, this is your package, car clean. Select the package, right click. I am going to add the Jasper report to here. Right. So before do the task, you have to install the Jasper report libraries. So how to download Jasper report libraries? Go to the Google. You type here is Jasper report jar. Jasper report jar download. You just write like this on Google search. You have to get many links. I have recommended you have to download this one. Download Jasper report jar. This one 6.0 with all dependencies. Right. You just click on this one and you have to you can download. Right, you click on here, it goes to relevant website for downloaded. Here click the download link and download this libraries. Right, I don't download it again by again. I already downloaded this one. Right, so after downloaded, you can get the file look like this. Here this one file, here jar files. Here it look like this. Right, jar files here look like this. All the libraries should be there. Right, now what I am going to do is here, go to the NetBeans. I am going to go to the libraries here, project go to the project. Inside the project folder we have a libraries, so we have to add the jar into the library folder. It's very must. Right, so back to here, where jar files, double click and open, select all the jar files, select one here, last, hold on the control key down and you have to select all. Right, select here, hold on the shift key and select here. All the jars should be selected. Open. Right, select the shift key. Right, on your keyboard. Right, so you have to select here. All the jar file is added here. Right, perfect. After done this one, we have to build the project. Clean and neat. Right, then only it's added into the library successfully. Right here. Right, build that successfully. Now what I am going to do is here, go to the package and right click, new, report wizard, select as a A4 paper here. Next, here we have to add the database connection here, database JDBC connection. Here we have to write the car clean name. I have right here. Here driver I am going to create as this one. This is the MySQL driver, MySQL JDBC driver. Here we have to specify the database name. What is the database name you have created? You have created as which one? Car, this one. This is the database you have created, right? We have just copy this one. Control C to copy, back here, Control V to paste here, right? The user credential is MySQL server root, username, password blank, right? Test, it's connection tested success. You save this one. You have to query designer, you have to go here. First I am going to get the table is this one, car products, right? This one, car product, double click on, you have to get it here, not this one, car product, right, price, type and price, you will get it here, right. Later on you have to add this car key, right, subtotal and everything, right. Okay, next here all we needed, next finish, right. This form has been created. Now I am going to create as a terminal printer. I am going to set this one as a terminal printer. So how to set it? Select this one here above, here click on page format, you have to set as meter, here also meter, simply you have to create as 80 and you have to write 3 like this. This is the terminal printer size, you have to create like this, click OK. Here it's automatically changed here. Now how to design is, you have to zoom in. Now you will be able to design here, you can get it the nice view look like this. Now here what I am going to do is here, the page header we have to, we don't need it, only we needed column header and details, right. We have to reduce the column size, right. Now here we have to reduce the things, right. Now we go to the report inspector, go to the field, here we have to drag these two things, car product type, drag, right, this one you have to get it here, right, detail, right, detail, right. This we have to decrease the size, but small we have to decrease as 8 this one, right. This is the data, right. We have to use the arrow key of your keyboard. It's easy to left and right and up down arrow key you have to use and adjust the things, right. It's very easy stuff. Second one I am going to drag, the second one should be the price. This one, two things we need, right. Heading we don't need it, we have to remove them, these two things, right. So here we have to details, right. This one also we have to set it as a 8, right. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, very simple one, we made it here. After that we have to make this one as a we have to simply arrange the size, look like this, the details we have to, this one we have to arrange it like this, simple, right. Now I need header. So here columns we needed. So what I am going to do is go here, get the static text, drag here. This one we have to, first one I am going to write this one, clean type. After the same thing, you have to reduce the things. After that, you have to Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste here. This one should be price. Select this both, hold down the Ctrl key down and Shift key down, select both. Sorry, you have to select first one, you have to bold it, second one you have to bold it. It's very easy stuff, right? Clean type this one. So you have to, if your space is not enough, you have to just increase the size. Delete. Right, perfect. Right, perfect. Now it's perfect, so imperfect. You have to arrange like this. That's simple. Right, we have spaces here, so we can arrange like this. Right, perfect. Right, now you can check the preview. Okay, it's working. Right. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is here, we have to add the title. So title is very important stuff. How to add the title is, okay, simply that the title car clean. Just write as a get the static text, drag here. You have to write car clean, car cleaning. So select this one. You have to, this one you have to put it as something 14 and with bold, the car clean. Perfect. Right, car clean. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, after that simply we have to get it the these two things, right? Subtotal, pay balance. How to get it here is, go to the this one, click on this one for a report query. Here we have to click query designer, click OK. I have to get this table as well. Car product table, I have got it. This one, car clean. Double click and open. Double click here, then only it is visible here. Click OK. Now we have to change the query, right? So here what I am going to write here is, we have to write, we have to combine both, right? We have to merge these two tables as well. So we have to write here simply, you have to write here, you have to write get it here, right? This one, right? Security purpose, it asks the password if it is every changes. Now here first I am going to write inner join. I am going to use inner join. So you have to write cap lock. You have to write capital inner join. Inner. It asks the password again. You have to join. Right. Inner join. You have to capitalize. Right. Okay. Now you have need a space between them. Right. Inner join. Right. You have just inner join. Okay, these two tables I am going to join, car products and car clean table. How to join? We have to specify how to join, right? So we have to join simply. You have to write on keyword on. You have to write on. Simply you have to write here is this one, this ID. Car product table clean ID. This one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Equal. Car table, car product table clean ID. So car clean table ID, this one, right? Car clean table ID. This car clean table ID, it goes as a product ID, right? Car clean table ID. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Come right. After what I am going to do is here, we have to write where close, where. Right, space, you have to copy this same car ID, Control C to copy. What is the car ID is coming here, right? Equal, you have to write here is a thing is, you have to create a new parameter, you have to invoice, right? INVO, right? Okay. This one we have to wait here, right? That's the thing you have to do, right? Perfect, right? Now you can go to the and check whether it's working fine or not. Here it's connected to car clean ID, its ID, car clean table ID. This should be the clean ID. It generated successfully. Now click OK. It's OK. It's working perfect. Now go to the report inspector. It's getting the relevant fields here. Here, these are all the teams are coming successfully. This one should be the car clean ID. Should be the invoice ID. So you have to get it here. This one should be the invoice ID. You have to reduce the 8, right? With bold, you have to bold it. You have to right here, right. Now here after that what I am going to do, I am going to get the static text, this invoice number, that this one should be 8, bold, get it here. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to get to another two things. So I am going to go to the this one, right? Group. So right click, but at the another group here. This one should be, I am going to write as a sales. I just give the name as sales. We give it as this one next. Footer I am going to add the group, right? Sales, right? I just give the name, right? Here I am going to put that two fields, right? This one. Total and total I need that, and pay and balance, right? Okay, perfect. Now here this one should be total, right? So here let's arrange the get the arrow key, keyboard arrow key up and down, right? And here we have to size 8. With bold, we have to reduce size here, you have to put it here, right? Same thing here, this one as a 8, reduce size, bold, but align to here, pay, that one should be balanced, with this also 8, balance with this one, and here. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to simply have to get this one, you have to reduce the space by mistakes, reduce the size, right, show order, like this. We need a space right between this, right? This one is the total, this is will be the pay amount, this is the balance should be displayed here. So here we need to static text here, we have to drag here, this one should be total, same thing you have to get it here, this one you have to reduce the size here, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it, again get it here, this one should be the pay, we have to get it here and put it here, you have to right, this one you have to reduce the size as 8 with bold, right, that's simple, you have to get it like this, simple, right, use arrow keys. This one also we have to put it as 8 with bold, we have to reduce the size, right, simple, so you have to align, right, you get the time and do it, you can get nice report, right, because I have a no time, so we have to quickly complete this project, so I have to do it here as balance. Right, that's it, we have done successfully this one, right. Now let's check, that's all the stuff are successfully. Now let's whether it's working the fine or not. We have to put one invoice number, this one, right, we have to put 2, it's generated the successfully like this, right. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to do another stuff is simply go to the report designer, we have to get it the 2 lines here, this line we have to drag here, right, here also I need one line, simple line we need it, right, simple line we need, right, this one we have to get, this one we have to align it like this, get the arrow key and you have to do the stuff, right, right, here this one balance, so here you have to change the type as, here also, here there will be the option pen, you have to change it as this one, you have to put it as 0.5, press enter key, okay, get it the things like this, right, so you have to get it like this, otherwise you have to get it here, you have to one, you have to get nice look, click OK, right. After that I need another one, so I need to drag another line here, like this, right. Now this one, select this one, you have to get it here, pen, this one you have to 0.5, click OK, right, perfect. Now you can check the preview, here it's working fine, it's working fine. You have to arrange this one as well, but arrange this one, you have to arrange like this, now it's working fine, right. Now this report I have to connect as a mic here, so it's very simple code, you have to do it, very simple code, you have to add it here. After that what I am going to do is here I am going to write a Jasper report, so here this is the sales function, I am going to go to the sales function, here I am going to connect with the Jasper report to here, right. So here what I am going to do is here, you have to write first hash map, you have to write hash map, you have to write create the object A equal hash map, you have to write hash map, you have to write hash map like this. After that you have to write here is you have to write A dot, you have to write here is you have to add the class, right. Okay, perfect. After that dot, you have to write method as put, right, you have to put the put method, right. Here we have to write here is a here as last insert id as a this is last insert id, right. This is the invoice number, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right. This one you have to change it as this one, when you go to the report, just report this one, here we have to this one, go to this one, click on this one, right. Here you have to get it this one, this INVO parameter, what you have typed here, right, IOBO, right here INVO, right, this is 6 that your type, right? Okay, this one you have to pass it here, right, passing to here, right? What is the last inside ID coming? It is passing to here, this one, right? After that we have to add the Jasper design J design equal JR XML loader dot load. So we have to provide the path. You have to, inside the double quotation, you have to provide the path here. Right, this one, select this one, properties, select this one, Ctrl C to copy this path. We have to Ctrl V to paste here. Right, perfect. Now it show the error. You have to add this one, right? We have to add the try catch block. Right, now the error go away. Right, if we add the try catch, this error go away. Now what I'm going to do is here, we have to do here is here this all the stuff you have to put it the try catch. Control S cut off. I'm going to paste here. Right, Jasper. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here simply you have to write the report Jasper. Jasper report. You have to write report equal into Jasper compile manager dot compile report. You have to write this one J design. You have to write here. That's the thing you have to write here, J design. Right, so write J design here. After that, we have to end the colon mark to end the statement. You have to add this one Jasper engine. This one you have to add it. Now the error go away now. Okay, now what I am going to do is here you have to write here is we have to write Jasper print. So we have to print the statement Jasper you have to write Jasper print. You have to write J print equal Jasper fill manager dot fill report. Here we have to write J report. This one we have to pass to these things the A comma you have to pass the connection as well, database connection right. This is the thing you have to import the report J, this one as well, right. That's the thing we have to do. Alright, after that what I am going to do is here we have to print, we have to show the print preview look like this Jasper viewer dot view report Jasper viewer dot view report dot view report. So we have to write print J print. Control C to copy this one, you have to pass it here, Control V to paste here. That's it. Okay, now this one for that we have to print the report. You have to use this one, right? So Jasper print manager dot print report. You have to write J report, this J report, sorry J print, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to pass as false. If you write like this, it is printing without show the preview, right? So first we have to comment it. Okay, first you have to comment it. You have to show the things if it is working or not. Let's check. First you have to comment it, right? Right, it's here, it's coming. Now here enter the car number like that. Customer name I am going to write Peter. Dashboard cleaning. This one cleaning. You have to write roof click add button, it's working successfully. Now I'm going to pay the payment, click print invoice, record edit. Now the problem is coming here, right? The problem is it's not an error. Here is this one here throwing look like. What I'm going to do is here to copy this one, GROVY, Control C to copy. You have to go to the report. Here, go to the XML. You have to remove them, right? Control F to search. Here, GRO, right? You have to here it goes. The thing is go above, right? GROV here, and the above line, right here. This one, above line, right? First line. The language you have to remove this one, GROVY, right? Backspace to remove them, right? After that, come here. You have to build the project type, clean and build, right? That's the things you have to do when you generate the Jasper report, right? That language is not supported, right? Okay, that's the problem, right? Now here you have to add again. Right, this one should be the Peter dash cleaning. This one, right, this one, right. Click add button is added successfully. You have to pay 500. Click here, it's added. Okay, what the problem? It's coming, it's not showing the report. Right, here it's shown successfully, right? It's not take the time. It's showing successfully. It goes here. That's the it's little bit time, right? Take here. The report is coming successfully. Invoice ID 4 here. This is the way, right? 4 here dashboard. Here all the receipts should be here. Calculated. Your balance should be displayed here. This is your balance, right? Here it's all things are successfully working. Now let's close them. Here when you are printing the bill, we don't need this one, right? We no need to show the preview. We have to hide this one and we have to enable this one, right? This one, it is printing. Hide the preview and print here, right here. That I show the demo how it's work. You will check right here. I just add the sample like this. You have to write like this. Simply you have to write, right? Add it. Balance is display. Click print. Invoice, record edit. Now you can check it's working without show the preview, right? It's connected to the printer and it's work, right? It's connected to the printer. Here it's connected to the printer. Here it's connected to the printer. It's printing. I haven't connected the printer yet, so that here it's asked to connect the printer, right? It's automatically printed, right? Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. I hope you guys understood the lesson so far well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.